Guys, welcome back to lesson 17 here on Free Code Camp, JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structure Certification, Basic JavaScript, starting out with accessing object properties with bracket notation. So in the previous lesson, we used dot notation. This lesson, we're going to use this bracket notation, which is basically just almost like you would access an array index, except for in this case, we are giving it the name. So let's go ahead and try that out. So I'm just going to pull up in the console real quick. I'm going to show us how this works. Create an object right here. I could say user and name. I could say my object user, and yeah, that's pretty cool. So this doesn't work, unfortunately. That would be pretty cool if you could do that, to be honest, but other ways to do that. Anyways, so let's go ahead and try this out. So read the values right here. So we're going to say entree value is test object of an entree. And then this is going to be the drink. And again, the reason why we have to do this in this case, because there's space, we can't really access this with dot notation. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 2. All right, accessing object properties with variables. So use the player name variable to look up player 16 in test object. Okay. So what we're going to do is say assign that name to the player variable. Okay, so what we should do is player number should be a number. So we just want this to be 16, right? And what we can go ahead and do then is say test object, like we had, of player number. We could do that, right? Go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 3, updating object properties. Let's go ahead and do this. So update my dog. That's kind of cool. You can sort of see it shows you basically the whole thing right here. That's pretty awesome. So I'm going to update the name property. We want to say, hey, this is a string, and we want to say happy coder. Let's go ahead and run that. Number 3. Okay, good to go. Number 4, adding new properties. So let's add a bark property. So we'll say my dog bark is equal to a sound. We'll just say woof. All right, good to go. And finally, number 5, we're going to delete a property. So we can use this delete keyword. So what we can do is say my dog, or sorry, we can say delete my dog dot tails, and then we say my dog is, when we look at this now, if we just log out console dot log my dog, and if I pull it up here in the developer console, we can sort of see my dog is basically, it doesn't have a tails property anymore. Or we can also do this. We can say my dog dot has own property tails. We could say false, but if we change this to legs, right, we're gonna get true. Cool. So that's it, guys, for this lesson. Let's go ahead and run this one last time. Make sure we passed all of the appropriate tests. That's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the videos I recommend in the description for courses in React and JavaScript through Udemy. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.